In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run a sale on Shopify. Now, to be able to do this, you're going to look over here on the left side. As you can see here on the left side, you have the option discounts. So simply select discounts. And basically, if you don't know what sales are basically a group of different types of product that are discounted. And you will be able to create discounts through this feature discounts over here. As you can see right now, I don't have any discounts. So let's create our discounts right now. Create discount. And as you can see, select the discount type. We have amount of product, amount of order, buy X, get Y, basically buy one, take one, or free shipping. So let's say I would like to have some amount of product. I could select that. And as you can see here, you have your discount code. You can simply generate your discount code by clicking on generate. And by doing this, the user will be only able to use the specific discount if they have the code. And if they don't have the code, they won't be able to access the discount for a specific product. But if you want automatic discount, this will automatically appear in their cart and at their checkout, and they will be able to enable it whenever they want. And as you can see here on the right side, this will change. So if it's automatic discount, there is no title. The type of method is amount of product and automatic. The details can't combine with other product. And for the normal one, as you can see, there will be more information over here. And details is for online store, all customers, no usage right now. But the more you change the different settings here, the more this will change as well. Like for example, over here, value, we would like to have a promo that will give our different users a 20% discount. There we go. It will have a 20% discount for specific collections or specific products. So let's say product, you can simply browse it and select the product that you would like to have a discount on. For example, the first product, click on add. And now there will be a 20% discount on the specific product that you have added. Then you have your minimum purchase requirements. You have either a minimum purchase of, let's say, 2,000, wherein they will only be able to access the discount if the user will buy products worth 2,000 over here. Or you could add no minimum requirement of how minimum quantity of items. People would usually use the minimum purchase amount. This is something that is usually present in e-commerce platform like Shopify or Lazada or other platforms out there, eBay. You would need to reach a certain amount of price for you to be able to be eligible for that type of discount. You have your customer eligibility as well. You could have a specific customer segment or a specific customer, all of those stuff. You have your maximum discount uses. You could say limit to one use per customer so that they don't take advantage of this, or limit number of times discount can be used in total. You could say this discount can be used 5 times, but it is usually limit to one use per customer. Then you have here combination. This can be combined with product discounts or shipping discounts. So they could combine it to other discounts that they have, other promos that they have. Then you have your active date over here. You can set the end date to a specific date that you want. For example, I would like to end on or by tomorrow. Same time, same date. And as you can see, the summary over here on the right side, right now on our setting, we have this is going to be for online store. There will be a 20% off the product. You will have a minimum purchase of 2,000 for it to be activated. It is available for all customers, although this will be used one time by per customer. They will be able to combine it with other types of discounts, and it will be active from today until October 3. And you can simply click on save discount, and you will now be able to have this discount and promo available for the product that you have just selected, as you can see. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.